Hello and welcome to Walsh Podiatry. We are based in Birmingham, the heart of the country. We are a team of podiatrists that are passionate about helping people in all walks of life to get back to their daily activities and keep moving pain-free. We have 4 modern surgeries within our practice, equipped with the latest technology to help diagnose and treat our patients' foot and lower limb complaints. This includes our brand new gait lab, which has been specifically designed to help us examine a patient's gait and movement in relation to any injury or problem they are experiencing. The gait lab is equipped with a new 1 metre Footscan, walkway and baiobit from Gait and Motion Technology. We've been using Footscan pressure measurement for over 10 years now, which has been invaluable in helping us diagnose patient conditions and communicate their proposed treatment pathways. Footscan is comprised of over 8,000 high-speed sensors, which accurately records the pressure and forces beneath your feet as you move. This shows a highly detailed view of how your centre of pressure progresses through every step and the distribution of force through the 10 anatomical zones of each foot. We combine this dynamic Footscan data with the materialised SAM 3D foot scanning app, enabling us to directly merge your static foot shape with your dynamic movement data in our unrivaled analysis software. This information allows us to design and prescribe the award-winning Phits 3D printed foot orthoses, which are totally unique and made to measure based on your exact needs. Phits are the only dynamic data-driven orthoses available. Not only can they assist with a wide range of foot complaints, they can help to optimise our patient's foot function to reduce the frequency of injury. Our patients love to see the graphical presentation of their gait and find the Phits orthoses extremely comfortable and effective. baiobit complements our Footscan technology, enabling our podiatrists to understand the kinematics of the body as we move. It provides a range of spatial temporal parameters such as speed, cadence, step and stride length, alongside the 3 planes of dynamic pelvic movement, tilt, obliquity and rotation, with normative reference ranges. We can also use baiobit for more specific movement tests when applicable to the patient, such as jump testing for sporting performance or the timed up and go test for functional mobility and falls prevention. If you are suffering with an injury or experience aches and pains in your feet and lower limbs, this could be due to inefficiencies in the way your joints and tissues function when you walk. Why not book in today and let us help you to get back to pain-free activity and give you the comfort you should experience when you walk or run? Call us on 0121 749 6313 or book online for a biomechanical assessment by visiting walshpodiatry.co.uk and enjoy your next steps.